Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright. Okay. Above you, I have no God but you. Okay, so I want to show you the chord progressions I'll use for this song and also show you the chords in the key of F sharp today, which is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. So I'll do something like this. I have no other God but you. I have no other God but. Okay, so let me show you the chords. So my chord progression is going. I'll go from 3 I have, then to no 2 other, then I'll go to 5 4 but you 3, then I'll do 6, then I have a passing chord here. You can do the tritone. I have no, so from this place flat 2 to 2 3, and you can do 4 5, then 5, then 1. So let's look at how I'm going to do that. So I'm good. So I'll do 3 and 1 on left, 5 1 3 on right. I might hit the 5 also. Then I'll go to 2. No. So I have no. So instead of starting, I have no. So this year you can start starting from 3. I have no 3 to 2. We have 2 2 5 4 6 1 and 4. Why I'm calling the numbers is so that you'll be able to use these numbers, write them down, and play them in any other key. So if I tell you 2 2 4 6 1 4, so you can take that formula to C and do 2 2 4 6 1. So you can see that's why I'm giving you the number. So that's why I'm not calling notes. If I call the notes, if I say G sharp, you'll just be able to use it in the key of F sharp, because I'm in the key of F sharp now. But if I give you numbers, you'll be able to use them on every other key. So I hope that is fine. Let me know in the comment section. All right. So I have no. So other. Then you go to 5. So you do 5 1 on your left. You do 4 6 1. God. Then you do this passing chord. So what do 5 4 3? God. With melody line. So we have a 4 and 1 on your left. On right we have a flat 3 minor third. Your minor third, that's flat 3 5 7 and 3. 7 and 2 rather. 7 and 2, or say 9, but I'm not interested in that now. Alright, so I hope you can also see the chords. But you, right? So what I'm mostly concerned about is you playing the right chords practically, and you making sense in the audience, in church. That's what I'm after. All right. So but you. So this is B flat, F and A flat. So that's a 3 7 9, right? Sort of flat 5 6, flat 9, and then your 3 or say 10 anyhow. But you, then I'll go. So then I'll do a passing chord from flatting 7 to 6. So I'll do this chord flatting 7 and 4 on left. On right I'll do a flatting 6 1 2 and 5. Then your 6 on your left hand, and then your 5 on your right hand. Then you do a passing chord, yeah, to the 2. So from 6 there, so you can see the notes, flat 2, then 6 on right we have a diminished chord, C sharp diminished chord. That's a C sharp, E, and B flat. So we are going on the second leg. So I have no other God but you. Then we go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So I have no. So we have a re, do, fa, la, do, re, fa. Then mi, da, 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 mi. Then we have the 4 chord. That's a 4, 1. On left you have a 4, sharp 5, and then your the one we want 9. Okay, so your 2. So that's a B, D, and A flat. Then God. So the same 5 chord again. Okay, no, not the same like we used the other time. So 5, 1. This time around 3, 5, 1. Then you resolve to 5, 7. Then 9, 11, 5, 7. Then to your 1 chord. So we've learned how to play this song like this. I have no other God but you. I have no other God but okay, so you can do the second leg. Can do don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you. Bye.